How to use coupon codes on Temu. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can use coupon codes on Temu. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to use the coupon code, it is very easy. First of all, let's purchase an item. When you see in home screen after you log in into your account, Temu account, you'll be able to see a bunch of items here. So let me just select one of the item. So let's say this is the item that I want to purchase. So what I'm going to do is simply add it to cart. You can see add to cart. So I'm just going to go under free shipping, and here this is the watch that I added on my cart. So what I'm going to do is simply tap, or I'm just going to check out with it. Here, after checking it out, you'll be able to see a payment method option here. Right now, I can't show it because it is not available on my reasons. I'm just going to briefly tell you how you can do it. So after adding your payment method, you'll be able to see a coupon option there, and if you have any coupon available, it will automatically select the coupon and give you the offers. But basically that's how you do it. Basically choose the coupon and you'll be able to redeem the offers just like that, and tap on checkout, and you'll be able to check out with those items with different kind of special offers. So therefore, by following this method, you can use coupon codes on Temu. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.